forehead. Act like you know I get smacked like a hoe. Competition, I wipe 2 R's across their forehead. I be that kid you in your group, ain't got nothing. Competition, I specialize in breaking backs.
Yo, I'm about to show him how it's properly done. You got to be dumb, thinking you could beat me if you ever shot me the one. Trying to run up on ram flows, you need commandos, Green Berets and Rambos. Sneak attacks, you got the plan those at least 3 years in advance. And even then, fucking with me, you taking a chance, attempting to attack. Ram, fuck around, you get a smack, man, from the backhand. I flip scripts, do my own stunts like my name was Jack Chan. I seen you running to the crack, man, once I'm through ripping on the track, man. Where'd I go wrong is what remains on your brain, until you realize that's when you call my fucking name, Mr. Ran Reed. I stomp like a stampede full of cattle and elephants. Thuggish, rugged, mixed with elegance. It's the type of cat that you fell against. It's obvious you lack intelligence. Hey yo, but how you gon' go against the army with a handgun? It's Ran Reed, yo, you don't understand, son. Now clear the room, another bomb, I'm about to land one. Early retirement, I'm forcing you to plan one. How you gon' go against the army with a handgun? It's Ran Reed, yo, you don't understand, son. Hey yo, I'm rugged, on top of that I'm raw. Niggas wanna battle, but they ain't ready for war. I'm flipping a ridiculous rage like Nicolas Cage. Get kicked off the stage for trying to face off. Nigga, you ace off, so why you frontin' like you killed before? Like my man X said, niggas ain't built for war. Artificial toy soldiers, the only thing you pack is your lunch. The only back you got is a hunch. I'm out to give you a smack in the punch just for wasting my time. Let me find out niggas lacing my rhyme, trying to take it and shine, frontin' like they made it from scratch. Broke in the Wiz crib and confiscated my dax. Dirty rats, time to get the mouse traps and shake them down. Get my duns, Big Dre and Twitch help to break them down. Something awful, fucking with Ran, this is unlawful. Wanna cross wires, well now you got a door. Hey yo, but how you gon' go against the army with a handgun? It's Ran Reed, yo, you don't understand, son. Now clear the room, another bomb, I'm about to land one. Early retirement, I'm forcing you to plan one. How you gon' go against the army with a handgun? It's Ran Reed, yo, you don't understand, son. Hey yo, I'm rugged, on top of that I'm raw. Niggas wanna battle, but they ain't ready for war. Yo, while I'm on spinning rollerblades, props like Puerto Rican Day parades. It's the jack of all trades, holding ace of spades with the king. Call me Blackjack, boy, you need a back smack. Tryna rock a rhyme on the whack track. You should've saw my man Nick first. We terrorists, dropping bombs on this sick earth. Blowing spots with these mental tight shots, causing blood clots, giving niggas warnings like a flood watch. So take heed, cause Ran Reed ain't your average. Wanna be thug savage, that's talking garbage. My skills is up to par, you don't really wanna spar, Mr. Rap Star. I bring it to you like Bruce did to Jabbar in Game of Death, son. These body blows got you losing on your breath, son. Anxiety attacks, causing stress. I guess you realize you ain't the best, put to the test, and all you got was a big F. I still got plans to make meals like Steph. Yo, but how you gon' go against the army with a handgun? It's Ran Reed, yo, you don't understand, son. Now clear the room, another bomb, I'm about to land one. Early retirement, I'm forcing you to plan one. How you gon' go against the army with a handgun? It's Ran Reed, yo, you don't understand, son. Hey yo, I'm rugged, on top of that I'm raw. Niggas wanna battle, but they ain't ready for war.